Okay, just finished up my little punch list job this morning, and now I'm looking for parts for my van, my Mr. Fix-All van that was wrecked. Now, finding a sliding door is becoming extremely hard. I found only one in Pennsylvania, but I did find a right rear door with the glass on the van. And this is another junkyard in Youngsville, or excuse me, Wake Forest. And there's supposed to be a white Chevy. I gotta go all the way to the creek. This is the first time I've ever been here. Hello everybody, how's everybody doing? Yeah, hey, believe it or not, first time I ever turned a wrench in my life, it was in a junkyard, man. I remember, it was, I was 8 years old. I don't even know why I was there, but I was hanging out there and I said, man, I like this place. And I grew up in places like this, man, junkyards. That's how I got so familiar with cars. It was all about the junk. Oh yeah, it was all about the junk. But man, I didn't realize how freaking big this place was. And the lady told me flat out that the sliding door that I'm looking for is going to be impossible to find. And there is one in Pennsylvania, like I said. And I think I found the Chevy. There it is, right there. I think I found it. Looking for a driver's door. Mine's all jacked up. I'm trying to restore that 04 work van of mine, man. Oh shit. This is the 3500. BX 072. I got to remember that. And guess what? All the hardware. Oh, so this is what they do. They strip them down. And let's see if this is manual. I gotta see if it's a manual door. Manual window, I mean. It looks like, yep, manual window. Good. And then that means I'd have to, speakers. Okay. Seemed like somebody's been taking off the hardware. Somebody took off the panel. Shit. Now see over there, the passenger door's got all the stuff, but it's got electric windows. Oh, this one has electric windows, or no, that's electric door locks. That's what that is. See, right there, electric door locks. I don't think electric windows got manual windows. Yeah, that's electric door locks. Okay. There's the engine. Nice. And this is trying to see what the effective date is here. 05, 6 of 05. These were all the same. Here we go. There it is. It's right up there. 05. Mine's an 04. That don't sound good. Thing's completely misaligned. Bolts missing from the lock right there. So I don't know, man. A body shop would have to really fart around with that one to make that work. Oh man. Let's see, they take these doors off of here. I found the right rear door at another place. I've got this one for 75 bucks with the glass. And see, they all got the barn. This is the style doors they've got now. This is the most common. is these suicide doors or barn doors, and mine's sliding glass. So there you go. So there you go. And these will not work. All right, let's get out of here. Let's see. Well, it was worth looking at. It's a 35. It's got power door locks. The hardware, the door itself would work. The hinge, the striker plate. Then I would have to take all my hardware off and put it on that. Then key code it, you know. So I don't know. Mine's working, except the top edge of the door is been bent, and I suppose I can get a body shop to bend it back, you know, without breaking the glass, that kind of thing. I don't know. I'm pretty sure they can do it. But again, this place is huge. But those Chevy vans, man, they're popular. The parts are. Look at that. Old Monte Carlo. You don't see a lot of those old cars anymore, man. But there's a fortune, and that's the thing. There's a freaking fortune in parts out here. A fortune. I'm starting to find that out real fast. So far I've only spent 75 bucks, so that's not too bad. And yeah, but anyway, the person that I'm talking to is coming down this way, so I'm gonna end the video here. In fact, you hear her.